Hi, this is drama teacher Jasper Thelen, and I'm going to talk you through this whirlwind tour of the physical spaces that are our domain in the drama program. Here we are backstage and entering the stage on this fast motion video where you can see the cyclorama. And here's what it looks like being on stage in our magical sacred space. So let's now head off backstage left, where we'll go down the hallway here past the music department into the other theater called the Studio Theater, led there by Peter Parrish, comic cad and drama teacher. And in this space, it's called the drama classroom. We do a lot of the rehearsals and also performances in this space. Drama's welcome for everyone, no matter what grade or level of experience you are. We know that it is FUN. Now let's head on into the theater space from the audience's point of view, where the magic happens, and into the tech booth with the soundboard and the light board and all the audio visual spectacles. Now we'll zoom along here to the scene shop that we call the dungeon, where all the magic is created here, into the costume room that has many fine wigs and helmets and armor and hats and vests and Wizard of Oz witch legs and rubber chickens and shoes and all the like. And then we'll go around the corner here to the set piece room where there's trees and furniture and whatnot. And then turn the corner here into the props room with handheld objects, such as swords. And now back around, we're going to head over to the scene shop area, where you can see that we have a lot of supplies and do this kind of stuff. Oh yeah. Now you come around, let's zip back to close our video today into this theater space. And I hope you'll consider joining our program. It's really fun.